What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. For today's topic, I'll be teaching you how to fix product activation failed in Microsoft Excel. Let's start by going to the search bar below and then search for File Explorer. Go to this PC tab, then open the local disk C. Next, open the Program Files folder. Now scroll down and look for the Microsoft Office folder. Then open it. Open the Office 16. Then right-click on this application. In the pop-up menu, select Run as Administrator. Now, if this action doesn't work in one time, then try to do this at least 3 times to run as administrator. Now try to check on your Excel if the error is now fixed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.